For today's video, Cami is going to be showing you how to make this wintry wreath. Give you a little sneak peek here. And most of these items are from Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and then the wreath is from Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, and then we just got a variety of flowers from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wreath together. All right, you guys, so all I did was do a regular bow. Just looped it around, and now I'm going to cut this to the length I want, and then I'm going to put another bow on top, so then it'll be a little bit thicker. All right, you guys, so I just put this bow in place just so I know where I want it, and then I'm actually just gonna put a dab of glue in the center here to connect these two so they don't move. And then we did get this Dollar Tree ornament, and we're just gonna put that in the center just to kind of dress up the wreath because it's gonna be like a winter wonderland theme. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and place flowers around like I normally do on the wreath and just place them where I think looks good. And we are just doing a half wreath again this time. All right, so I got everything in place, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue everything down. Alright guys, so here is the finished wreath. Cami kind of did a different take because we did white flowers instead of the traditional red that you would do for a Christmas wreath, but we really love the way that this turned out, and again, it's super affordable. So be sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!